Alright, I'm out here at the Causey Road number 2 crossing in Talogia, Florida. We got a couple of gated signals here. This crossing is technically out of service. And yes, that is water down there. Even though you can't really see it. But I believe these signals are still hooked up to power. And from what I understand, the railroad is planning on reopening this line, as I'll explain shortly. At least our line. This first signal has a Safetran base. Gate mechanisms also from Safetran. And the gate arm's a really crusty fiberglass gate arm covered in that's like covered in moss and lichens and the like. But it's Safetran, though you can't really read that label. Right here we got the emergency information, where as you can see this is the dot number is 838224R. The lights on this signal are a mixture of Safetran 12x20 inch and Safetran 12x24 inch lights with GE dotted LEDs in them. So there's the LED, there's the lights as a whole, and there's a close-up of the back of one of the lights showing their Safetran. And the gate lights on this signal are all Safetran gate lights. And over here we got another signal that's pretty similar to the first, but with a few differences. So I just walk over here to it real fast. This signal is also has a Safetran base. Another Safetran gate mechanism. The emergency information again. And this one isn't quite as crusty. In fact, you can even read the label somewhat, where you see it has a Safetran logo on the gate arm. But yeah, this gate arm is in somewhat better shape. The lights on this signal are more Safetran 12x24 inch lights, and they also feature more GE dotted LEDs in them. And I'm just gonna walk right over here. You can see it says Safetran on the back there. And then the bell at this crossing is on this signal, and it's a Safetran mechanical bell, as you can see right up there. And then finally, this signal has more Safetran gate lights. Now, here's a track view. This way is looking north towards the currently active portion of the line between Hosford and Chattahoochee. And this way is looking, and that way is looking south to Port St. Joe. And apparently the Apalachicola and Northern, according to some locals down that way, they've been working on the line to reopen it, which will be rather nice, because hopefully it'll be open by 2020, and they'll be running trains, in which case I'll be able to chase them all the way down to Port St. Joe, which will be rather nice in my opinion, as I just said. But right over here is also a spur. That way it's looking towards the end spur, that way it's looking towards the main. But currently the line's still technically closed. It's out of service. So these signals probably have power to them, as the gates aren't chained into the up position. And also, this is a bit unusual in my opinion, because most of the time I don't see them go through that way. I normally just see them draped from right here to right up there. The gate light wires. And right here, of course, is the relay case, which is actually from Safetran. That's a bit of a fun fact. The light bulb's probably broken, but this thing's not telling me any good information. But it appears to still be hooked up to power. It probably is. So yeah. This is the Causey Road number 2 crossing. Causey Road number 1's a crossbuck crossing down there with like 3 crossbucks at it. In fact, this is pretty well paved over. So yeah, here's the Causey Road number 2 crossing in Talogia, Florida. Over and out.